Namaste, good morning. Wishing you all a happy Yoga International Day. Today is June 20, 2021, and today is the 7th edition of the Yoga International Day. 21st June is celebrated as Yoga International Day all over the world to spread awareness of yoga to improve the health and fitness of the people all around the world. You are aware we are already facing a very serious pandemic which is causing pain, misery, and large millions of people are suffering from corona pandemic, and you know the number of deaths in crores of the people all over the world. Yoga day is very important because yoga provides you immunity, yoga provides you stability. It is the alignment of your mind, body, soul, and heart. And during this period of time, I know yoga is helping large number of people to improve their health, to improve their immunity, to improve their stability, mental state, physical state, emotional state, spiritual state. These can be improved by the practice of the yoga. As you know, what you think, what you believe, and whatever visualizations you have in your mind, that is what you attract. So if by doing yoga we can improve our health and fitness, I consider that this is very good. Yoga is not workout, yoga is working inside the body. The actual manufacturer of our body is inside us, which is happening at the cellular level. So yoga improves our health at the cellular level. And as someone said, you are as young as your spine is flexible. The flexibility of the spine will decide your age. You know what problems you are facing on the back of the spinal cord due to the lifestyle which you are pursuing, and your children are pursuing the lifestyle when they are sitting on the laptops and they are not doing any physical activity, they are not doing any action, they are not moving the different parts of the body. What is the result of that? So yoga is balance in life. It is balancing of your five senses, and it is a connection of your breath with mind, body, soul, and heart. And yoga is very essential if you want to live healthy and peaceful life. This is a time-tested thing, scientific thing, and there is no problem in understanding this. So today being the yoga day, yoga adds energy, and it subtracts the wastage of energy, mathematically speaking. So today I would be celebrating the yoga day for children, for family. It's a time to do some yoga with the family, with the children. So today I have with me some poses for the children. So I will be doing some poses which the children can do, which you can do with your family and children and play with them. So our purpose is that we have a short life of 70 to 100 years posing. Our visit to planet Earth is very short. We will leave one day. But what we give to the coming generation is very important. So yoga is also one thing we should give to our children before we leave this world, because it will provide them good health, good stability, and mental peace and happiness to live on the planet Earth. तो देखिए, let me show you what type of poses. पहला जो मैं pose कर रहा हूँ, first pose जो है बच्चे the children can do is the child pose. तो child pose में मैं आने जा रहा हूँ, मैंने चश्मा उतार रहा हूँ. Child pose. Will sit comfortably on the Vajrasana and relax. Child pose. Second pose for the children, downward dog pose. Dog बनना है, downward dog. Then bear walk. Forest में, in the forest children are doing bear walk. Then I am going to become cat. See the animals, we can become animal and enjoy the sessions with the children. This is mainly meant for the children. Cat, cow, cat, cow. Now I will become camel for the children. Camel pose. Your two hands on the back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Half camel. Half camel. Now we can become cobra for the children. Cobra pose. Cobra for the children. Now I am going to become butterfly. Butterfly for the children. Butterfly for the children. So all our children, our family can do together butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly for the children. You have seen crabs, crabs. Then what I will do, I will become a crab now. Crab. Now I will become a monkey for the children. Monkey for the children. Children can do it. Now I will become an elephant for the children. I am blocking my nose, blocking my nose. This is my hand. I am elephant. Elephant on the yoga day, yoga international day for the children. Then I can become starfish. You know, you have seen the starfish. Open your legs, open your hands, lie down, and become a starfish. Feel the relaxation, starfish. Now let me become an aeroplane. Oh, I am flying, I am flying, I am flying. I am an aeroplane, aeroplane, aeroplane. Let me become the boat, boat for the children, boat for the children. Boat for the children. I am in the boat. Boat pose for the children. Therefore, my yoga today is family yoga. These are some of the poses which are poses meant for the children. So this was some children yoga, and I hope that you got my point, that on this happy International Day we want to give our children that they should also adopt the habit of yoga before we leave planet Earth. So leave good things behind when we go from this Mother Earth. Thank you very much, and I wish you all a very very happy International Yoga Day. नमस्ते, फिर मिलता हूँ